Hi, I am Uncle Rao, aged 74. I am always busy with electronics and robotics, especially with microcomputers like Arduino. I realized that most students are worried how to pass the time, desperately searching for something to do and improve their knowledge and creativity skills. That's why I created Easy Robotics Kit 1, which makes the students busy in building electronics and robotic projects. This is an ideal gift to the students. No soldering iron is required to join the wires. Just plug in the component into the specified pin as per the assembling instructions. The kit is not a mere dump of components. Each component is attached with necessary pins or plugs for plug-in connection. Projects are built around the Arduino Nano microcontroller with the plug-in shield. It means that no cutting, no soldering and no joining of wires. Just you have to plug in the given component in the given pin address. That's all. The circuit is automatically completed. I have carefully selected 8 projects which starts from simple music tunes project to a higher level infrared remote controller project. 8 robotic projects using Arduino Nano. 1. Music tunes. 2. Traffic light control. 3. Digital dice. 4. Automatic street light control. 5. Touch control. 6. Ultrasonic control. 7. Temperature indicator. 8. The infrared remote controller with assembly instructions in plain English. Arduino Nano Shield. Arduino Nano microcontroller is plugged in a special shield or attachment. All the nano pins are available at specified places along with the set of positive and negative terminals. The shield is made to insert any sensor or component easily and get connected. Assembly of the components in breadboard. Insert the speaker in red socket to the pin 12. Insert the black socket to the G pin near pin 12. Insert the touch sensor yellow socket to pin 7. Insert the red socket to the V near pin 7. Insert the black socket to G near pin 7. Insert red socket of red LED to pin 10. Insert the black socket of G near pin 10. Insert the green socket of the green LED to pin 2. Insert the black socket of the green LED to G near pin 2. A USB cable is used to communicate between Arduino and personal computer or a laptop. The power supply unit, which can be connected to the Arduino Shield's barrel socket or 12 volts DC output. A breadboard is used to plug in the components without cutting or soldering or joining the wires. One can assemble the circuit very easily. There are 5 numbers of sockets in 25 lines in 2 rows, and each row is internally connected. 2 separate lines, 25 each, for positive and negative sockets are available at the top and bottom. Jumpers are the wire connectors used to connect the 2 points. 3 types of jumpers are available pin to pin to socket, and socket to socket. All colors are available. With a user manual in plain English covering the introduction of all components and accessories and assembling instructions for each project by step. By assembling and running the 8 projects, one can get familiarized with electronic components and other accessories. Get used to handle microcomputers like Arduino, computers, laptops, and smartphones, and can rise personally towards to the field of robotics. Log into our website Easy Robotics In and contact by email nrao60@gmail.com. I am Uncle Rao. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next presentation. Goodbye.